I never expected it.
Right.
I never planned that मेरी story बहुत inspiring होने वाली है. I just
Right.
kept on going on.
Right.
That's something which I always follow. हमें हमारे पास स्किन केयर के पैसे नहीं होते हैं. हम साबुन से ही मुंह धोते थे पहले से.
Right.
So even in a reality show, I made sure that I'm being there bare face.
Okay.
बिना मेकअप. Be real.
Right.
10 लोग क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे, वहाँ 50 लोग आपको अप्रिशिएट भी करेंगे. गांव में आज भी लड़कियां बिलीव करती हैं लगाने से लोग गोरे होते हैं, तो वो यूज तो कर रहे हैं ना.
राइट.
हमारा इंडियन कलर डस्की नहीं है, हमारा इंडियन कलर ब्लैक नहीं है. इंडियन कलर हमारा गेहूं का कलर है.
राइट. Wheatish color. Right.
जो हम खाते हैं.
Right.
दीपिका पादुकोण, प्रियंका चोपड़ा, सुष्मिता सेन, लारा दत्ता, आई कैन नेम इट. They all are British. Trust me, जो स्किन टोन मेरी है British कलर, when I go in front of camera, वो शाइन करती है. अगर मैं अपने माँ बाप के लिए खड़ी नहीं हो सकती, तो मैं किसी चीज़ के लिए अपनी लाइफ में खड़ी नहीं हो सकती. I wanted to be myself, but reality show is not that real. मिनिस्ट्री से मुझे कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन आया था.
जी.
मोदी जी ने ट्वीट किया था. प्रियंका गांधी जी ने मुझे मैसेज किया था इंस्टाग्राम पे, and I didn't know.
Hello ladies and gentlemen. Till date, we must have heard a lot of stories of rags to riches, but today the guest that we have on the Wit Chat show is somebody who has inspired us since her Miss India run. We have the very amazing, the most inspiring personality of the year, Manya Singh.
Thank you so much, Ankur.
Welcome to the Wit Chat show, Manya.
Thank
Firstly,
you.
Congratulations, guys. Let me just tell you all that she's just won an award for the most inspiring personality of the year.
Thank you.
I would want to begin with your journey first of all. Of course, when the stories of you, ending up as the first runner-up of Miss India came out in the media, a lot of people there was a havoc, and people somewhere down the line became oblivious about the person who was actually crowned, but they were all going gaga about you because your journey, your story has inspired millions. So what do you want to say about that?
We all work hard. मुझे ऐसा लगा हम 3 लड़कियां जीते थे उस साल, और
Right.
हम तीनों को इक्वली प्लेटफॉर्म मिला. दो मेरी स्टोरी थोड़ी यूनिक थी.
जी.
That my father is someone, I worked super hard to be
Right.
there.
Right.
So it was very overwhelming. पूरा
Right.
1 महीने तक मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मैं ट्रेंडिंग पे चल रही हूँ.
Right.
I didn't know that there is an article. I opened, there was a मिनिस्ट्री से मुझे कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन आया था.
जी.
मोदी जी ने ट्वीट किया था. प्रियंका गांधी जी ने मुझे मैसेज किया था इंस्टाग्राम पे, and I didn't know that.
Right.
So it was quite amazing thing कि 1 महीने बाद में सबको रिप्लाई कर रही थी. But I never expected it.
Right.
I never planned that मेरी स्टोरी बहुत इंस्पायरिंग होने वाली है. I just
Right.
kept on going on.
Right.
That's something which I always follow. कि आप मेहनत करते जाओ,
Right.
उस मेहनत के हिसाब से जो आपका फल होगा आपकी झोली में गिरेगा.
Right.
And that's what I follow.
राइट. मान्या, हमने हमेशा से एक चीज़ देखी है कि कभी भी आपने एक क्विंटेसेंशियल ब्यूटी प्रोटोटाइप को कभी एंडोर्स नहीं किया. You've never, like, even after ending up winning the Miss India title, you never promoted कि like beauty is only prototyped or is एक quintessential beauty queen को ऐसा ही दिखना चाहिए. You have flaunted your skin barefaced a lot of times on social media. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये करने का motivation आपको कहाँ से मिला?
I have signed earlier Glow and Lovely. So people have said so many things that why did she sign a beauty brand which
Right.
promotes fair skin. But when I signed that brand,
Right.
I had a proper meeting with the brand people and the organization, Hindustan Unilever. I had a proper Zoom call with them, and I told them that I do not want to promote the fair skin is the more beautiful thing. So if you'll see the ad, it's all about that anyone can be Manya Singh.
Right.
You have to pursue your dream. So
Right.
it was all towards the education basis, which I
Right.
really wanted to do it, and I was
Right.
quite happy with it.
Right.
Why I have always been open and real in front of people, that I want to show everybody that we are not perfect. And trust me, nobody is perfect.
Right.
जब हम स्क्रीन पे देखते हैं, सोशल मीडिया पे देखते हैं, तो सबको ऐसा लगता है नहीं, she looks so pretty. No, she has worked hard for it. She works out. वो पर्टिकुलर पर्सन हर दिन जिम जाता है,
Right.
5 लीटर पानी पीता है, अपनी
Right.
स्किन का ध्यान देता है.
Right.
मे बी इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट.
Right.
ट्रस्ट मी, आई नो दैट.
Right.
हमें हमारे पास स्किन केयर के पैसे नहीं होते हैं, हम साबुन से ही मुंह धोते थे पहले से.
Right.
So even in a reality show, I made sure that I am being there at bare face, बिना makeup.
Okay.
24/7 makeup लगा के नहीं. I wanted to show girls and people out there, this is me.
Right.
And if I look like this, I have reached till here.
Right.
सब कर सकते हैं.
Right.
It matter of time.
Right.
It matter of your hard work.
Right.
And it matters that how much passionate you are towards your dream. And that's what I follow. And
Right.
do not take it as your dream. Take it as your job. And work so hard कि आपके आसपास की जो भीड़ है उसमें
जी.
से आप सबसे अलग दिखो.
जी.
सब आपके आंखों में दिखना चाहिए.
जी.
एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई ऑलवेज फॉलो, दैट बी रियल.
Right.
10 लोग क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे, वहाँ 50 लोग आपको अप्रिशिएट भी करेंगे.
Right.
सो
Right.
दैट्स व्हाट आई डू.
ओके. माने जैसे आपने भी कहा कि ब्यूटी केयर स्किन लाइक यू नो ऑल दोज प्रोडक्ट्स जो फेयरनेस प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनको लेकर एक बहुत ही नेगेटिव कॉनोटेशन आजकल चल रहा है मार्केट में. यामी गौतम को बहुत ओकेजन्स पे लोगों ने ट्रोल किया ये कहते हुए कि यार तुम फेयरनेस प्रमोट करते हो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. लेकिन बिकॉज इंडियन ब्यूटी इज ऑल अबाउट यू नो डस्की ब्राउन. आई एम डस्की, यू आर डस्की, एंड आई एम श्योर दैट अ लॉट ऑफ इंडियंस हु वाचिंग दिस राइट नाउ they all have their unique skin tones. But जो एक negative connotations है in fairness products को लेके, उन पर आपका क्या कहना है? What is your take on that?
You know, one thing I can say, Indian skin tones British color होता है, डस्की भी नहीं होता, British color होता है. Like गेहूं का जो कलर होता है वो हमारा कलर होता है, right?
Right.
And that's real Indian skin tone.
Right.
किसी की गलती नहीं हो गोरा है. Some people have that tendency. Even when I was kid, मुझे बोलते थे कि आप ये क्रीम लगाओ, वो पाउडर लगाओ. And I used to be very dark. But the moment I have grown, I've started grooming myself. My skin
Right.
color has got better.
Right.
See our Kajol ma'am, Deepika ma'am, Priyanka Chopra ma'am. She's at world stage.
Yeah.
She's
Sushmita
at
Sen,
our
for that matter.
color. Sushmita Sen, Lara
Yeah.
Datta, everybody is at our color.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
They are Indian beauty.
Right.
So, criticizing some, I know one thing. We are in the industry जहाँ हमें अगर पैसे नहीं होंगे तो हम चाहे कितना भी कुछ कर लें, रोटी हमें घर में कोई नहीं देगा. तो
सही
पैसे तो कमाने हैं.
Right.
दो वी हैव टू टेक केयर कि किसी के सेंटिमेंट्स हर्ट ना हो.
Right.
या वी आर वेरी प्रोग्रेसिव और अग्रेसिव टुवर्ड्स कि नहीं आप फेयरनेस क्रीम प्रमोट करो, क्योंकि हम यूज तो कर रहे हैं ना. अगर हम यूज करना बंद कर देंगे तो कंपनी अपने आप बंद हो जाएगी.
Right. Right.
इट्स वेरी फैक्ट
Right.
कि गांव में आज भी लड़कियां बिलीव करती हैं लगाने से लोग गोरे होते हैं, तो वो यूज तो कर रहे हैं ना.
Right.
सो दैट्स, आई मीन, इफ वी विल स्टॉप दैट, वी विल स्टॉप डिस्क्रिमिनेटिंग की गोरा काला सावला, तो ये
Right.
सारी चीजें बंद हो जाएंगी.
Right.
ये सारी चीजें अपने आप कम हो जाएंगी.
Right.
सो आई थिंक इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द पीपल्स थॉट. आई कांट चेंज द चेन फॉर श्योर.
Right.
So
Right.
it's like that.
Okay, so Manya, you know, there is a negative connotation about fairness products. People, like, you know, time and again they troll Yami Gautam for endorsing a fairness product, saying that, you know, you endorse something that's fake, that's you know that has a fake facade to it. What do you have to say? Because you know there are a lot of Indians who are watching this video right now, watching this interview right now. You know they all must be struggling क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं सोसाइटी में उनको भी कहा है यार कि तुम्हारा रंग ऐसा ऐसा है, तुम्हें अपना रंग गोरा करना चाहिए, या फिर अगर लड़कियां हैं तो यार तुम सावली हो तो तुम्हारी शादी कैसे होगी, क्योंकि लड़के तो यू नो बिकॉज आजकल वो न्यूज़पेपर में आर्टिकल्स भी लिख के आते हैं कि यू नो फेयर गर्ल वांटेड. तो उसके बारे में यू नो आई रियली वांट टू आस्क दिस बिकॉज यू नो you've always been comfortable in your own skin. What do you have to say about that? First, I'll just break down my question. First, what do you have to say about the negative connotation that the fairness products have, and secondly about the girls, that that's a very prevalent issue that's there in the society, more towards the rural side. So yeah.
So one thing I know that हमारा गेहूं, हमारा इंडियन कलर डस्की नहीं है, हमारा इंडियन कलर ब्लैक नहीं है. इंडियन कलर हमारा गेहूं का कलर है.
Right. Wheatish color. Right.
जो हम खाते हैं.
Right.
रोटी के बिना किसी का नहीं घर चलता.
Right.
रोटी जरूरी होती है. रोटी कपड़ा मकान. Kind of that. तो if we respect our food, why can't we respect the color of our Indian skin tone?
Right.
That's the skin tone which we actually follow. Deepika Padukone, Priyanka Chopra, Sushmita Sen, Lara Datta, I can name it. They all are British.
Right.
Kajol ma'am, they all are
they are all
dominating the
beautiful.
world,
Yeah.
Asian countries. And I think it's negative comment depend on the people's perception.
Right.
आई फील इवन इन गांव में अभी भी लोगों को ये है कि हम ये स्किन ये लगाएंगे, ये लेप लगाएंगे तो गोरे हो जाएंगे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. वी शुड एक्चुअली एक्सप्लोर आवरसेल्फ. ट्रस्ट मी, जो स्किन टोन मेरी है विटिश कलर, व्हेन आई गो इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा वो शाइन करती है.
जी.
दैट्स द रियल थिंग. वो लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट करती है. सो आई बिलीव इट जस्ट द परसेप्शन. ये बहुत मोटी चेन आ चुकी है, क्योंकि अगर हम बुक में भी देखेंगे तो ये था गुड और बैड. तो गुड की तरफ एकदम डार्क लड़की को रख देंगे, गुड की तरफ एकदम फेयर लड़की को रख देंगे, बैड की तरफ एकदम डार्क लड़की को रख देंगे. सो हम बचपन से ही सिखाते आ रहे हैं. तो ये चीज ना बहुत इंडल्ज हो चुकी है बच्चों के भी दिमाग में. तो वी नीड टू
change the perception.
Yeah, we need to start the change from our house. कि वो छोटे बच्चे को सिखाना है कि fair is not our color. It's not that, it's a different, we are
it varies, like all 143 crore Indians, they have all their unique skin tones. Absolutely.
But Vitish is our color.
Right.
You can't tease anybody.
Right.
Because when I was in village, मैं बहुत सावली थी उस टाइम पे. लाइक हमें कुछ नहीं, हमें स्किन केयर वगैरह कुछ नहीं रहता था. हम साबुन से मुंह धोते थे, बाहर जाते थे, खेलते थे. वो हमारा रियल बचपन था. और मुझे बहुत सारे नाम दिए गए थे. बट देन द मोमेंट, अभी मैं मैच्योर होती गई, मेरी एज बढ़ती गई, मैं ग्रो होती गई, मैंने ग्रूम करना खुद को स्टार्ट किया, मेरी स्किन टोन अपने आप चेंज होने लगी. सो it depends on how you take care of yourself.
Right.
But if we judge somebody over their skin tone, that's not fair. I think we all need to make a change from our house, and we need to make that small kid understand that everybody is equal. It just depends on what is here, not what is here.
Right.
So that's
a very beautifully said statement. Like, moving ahead, Manya, I would also want to ask about your journey. You had a very prolific journey from ramp to reality shows. Talking about your reality show experience, Manya, we've all seen that your reality show journey was short, but it was impactful. Coming out of the house, how things have changed for you, and now, of course, like when you go onto the streets, people must be knowing you as Manya Singh, and not as a character, because you've of course shown your actual personality. Like, I really want to ask you this question. Like, I sincerely know you personally. Do you really think that the Manya Singh that was inside the house was not affluential, was not influenced by somebody, or like how was it like? Were you yourself inside the house, or you were actually burdened by somebody to act in a way or be a certain way?
See, when I went inside, it's the very first time I'm showing all, like saying over the chat show that I haven't watched single episode.
Okay.
I haven't watched previous episodes. I've never watched Big Boss.
Okay.
जब मैं बाहर आई तभी मैंने अपने खुद के भी एपिसोड्स नहीं देखे, क्योंकि मेरी हिम्मत नहीं है अभी तक वो.
Right.
But when I went inside, I decided that I'll be myself. I'm a sweet girl. I know how to take stand. I know something which affects me. I'm a very emotional girl.
Right.
When I came out, I heard a lot of things.
Right.
24 hours का शो होता है वो, जिसमें से 1.5 घंटा दिखाया जाता है या 1 घंटा दिखाता है शायद. I can't blame anybody for sure, but so many things have happened कि मैं ये नहीं बोल सकती किसी का दबाव था, but just to be on TV and just to show people and just to earn money, people have gone below the belt. They have abused parents. They have abused. Imagine I've worked 8 years to get that crown.
Right.
It's something which runs in my blood. Like whenever I carry my crown, और मैं पहनने से पहले उसका पैर छूती हूँ.
Right.
इतना मैं इज्जत करती हूँ उसकी.
Right.
और कोई उसकी इतनी गंदी तरीके से बेइज्जती करेगा, I can never accept it.
Right.
मैंने खुद का वो कभी नहीं रूप देखा था कि मैं इतनी भी कभी भड़क सकती हूँ, because I've never had fight and all. I know how to take stand calmly. But जब ये चीज़
you've never exploded.
मेरे पेरेंट्स और मेरी क्राउन पे आई ना, I've lost it.
Right.
I know my mistake that okay, I've lost my temper, which I shouldn't have it. But then उसके आगे पीछे तो नहीं दिखा ना लोगों को. शायद वो लोगों को पता ही नहीं चला कि उसके साथ हुआ क्यों था ये.
Right.
उसने ये ऐसा किया क्यों. And the people who knows me, and even so many social media पे बहुत सारे ऐसे fans थे जिन्होंने लिखा भी. I've read that comment that we have known her from the start. She's not like that. Definitely इसके आगे पीछे कुछ हुआ होगा. That's why she behaved like this.
Right.
But rest of the part, me running without makeup, that was my decision, because I deliberately wanted to show the people out there. Look, I don't look glamorous.
Right.
But I am Miss India.
Right.
So कोई लड़की गांव से आके भी मिस इंडिया बन सकती है, पैसों
Right.
की जरूरत नहीं
पैसों की जरूरत
लगती,
नहीं
हिम्मत लगती है बस सपने देखने का, उसको पूरा करने के लिए और लोगों को बताने के लिए मुझे चाहिए ये भाई,
Right.
तुम कुछ भी कर लो,
राइट
नॉट जस्ट मिस इंडिया, एनीथिंग। इफ यू वांट टू गेट इनटू फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, डंकी के चोट पे आओ, यू
Right.
डोंट हैव टू लुक लाइक अ स्टार,
Right.
नोबडी वाज स्टार बिफोर बिकमिंग अ स्टार। शाहरुख खान, he was not exactly like a star when he
He was just
started.
an actor, and then he became a star later.
So
on,
you
right.
need a talent to build the base for yourself.
Right.
So
Right.
that's what my motto.
Right.
अब लोगों ने कुछ और वे में लिया, that's, I mean, it never affect me because I know I've come back to, I have one thing, whoever have met me
Yeah.
after Big Boss,
Yeah.
normal people,
Yeah.
they've never told me that you have behaved really bad. They've
Right.
told me we liked your attitude.
Right.
We liked the way you have taken stand
Stand
for
for yourself.
yourself, your
Right.
parents.
Right.
And I think that's what I live for. अगर मैं अपने माँ बाप के लिए खड़ी नहीं हो सकती, तो मैं किसी चीज़ के लिए अपनी लाइफ में खड़ी नहीं हो सकती.
Right.
So
Right.
I think that way maybe मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी पे गलत इम्पैक्ट पड़ा है.
Right.
I have what I wanted कि मैं अंदर भी जिस तरीके अच्छी इंसान की जैसे गई थी वैसे ही मैं बाहर आई हूँ. मेरा कोई और कैरेक्टराइजेशन नहीं हुआ है, ना ही
Right.
मैं किसी के इन्फ्लुएंस में आई थी.
Right.
It just I take time.
Right.
And that's my nature. Even
Right.
I'm ambivert, not introvert. But मैं हर किसी से जंप होके बात नहीं करती.
Right.
I take time to get the vibe because इतने सारे लाइफ ने एक्सपीरियंस दे दिया ना यार
Right.
कि किसी से बात करते हुए भी ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़ा सामने वाले को समझ ले, फिर
Right.
अपना मुंह खोलना. That kind of nature I have.
Right.
But I think it's all done and dusted. Now there is more to life. So
Absolutely.
Let's move on.
Yeah. Okay. Just last two questions, Vanya. Okay, so now it's been 1 year now. Now you've dwelled into it. You've seen the repercussions. You've seen the good and the bad side. But today, if you get a chance to give one advice to the Manya who was entering the house at that particular point of time, what would be that one advice that you would give her, or any girl that you see yourself into who's going to enter the show?
Do your homework, watch all the episodes of Big Boss, never lose your temper, and make sure that you know why you are there.
Right.
Because I wanted to be myself, but reality show is not that real. Let
Right.
me be very honest. So you really need to be very accurate. You don't have to trust everybody. That's
Right.
one basic rule.
Okay. On that note, on a parting note, Manya, my last question to you would be, I just want to ask you that how has life been after coming out of Big Boss? Now that now people know you as Manya Singh. Now you've become famous, but I'm sure that just being famous was not on your bucket list. There's much more to it. So I would want to emphasize on the much more side of your bucket list.
I want to do everything. I want to be the Manya, the Manya, so people can say that okay, Manya is my inspiration.
Right.
All the small girls.
Right.
I want to reach to the base of the villages.
Right.
The way people know Priyanka Chopra, the way people know Sushmita Sen, and something like that. It's
Right.
not particularly in this. Everywhere. I want to have everything.
Right.
And I'm not gonna stop until I'm not getting it. So
Right.
that's something which I really believe in. And then life hasn't changed.
Right.
I still struggle. I still do my work. I still go for audition. I still go for. Though मेरी journey बहुत difficult हो गई है because now I can't travel by bus. तो मेरे पैसे थोड़े ज़्यादा जाते हैं. But then for everything, I still struggle. My parents are working.
Yeah.
So nothing has changed. I think I have to again work harder.
Right.
Earlier it was like nobody knew, तो I was like ठीक है, अब सब जानते हैं तो अब थोड़ा और मुश्किल हो गया, but everything will be fine for sure.
Okay. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, I would want to ask Manya a couple of questions which
If
are
I'm gonna miss my flight, then you are
dead. But this is a rapid fire round. I'll be asking you a few questions, and I expect rapid answers, quick
Yes.
answers for that. Okay, so let's start. The first question is, what is something new that's happening in your life right now?
I am doing films.
Okay. Okay. How do you start your day? How did you start? Just tell us.
Day?
Yeah, today.
My mother give me a petha ka juice. That's my startup of the day, and I get up for gym. That's it. That's the start.
Okay. If you could live anywhere in the world, where it would be?
Bombay, in Tower. I want to have my house in Tower.
Okay. What was your first job?
My first job was Pizza Hut. I was washing dishes.
Okay. What's the first thing you notice about someone you meet at the first time? First, जो पहली मुलाकात
Smell.
होती है. Okay. Who do you draw your fashion inspiration from?
Priyanka Chopra.
Okay, if you had to describe yourself imitating an emoticon, what it would be? Like
What?
Emoticon, जो emojis होते हैं.
Okay,
वो,
that way?
Yeah, what sort of emojis?
Hug.
Okay,
1 or 3?
like just one.
Okay, hug.
Okay. What is that one secret about someone you revealed but that you weren't supposed to? Without naming the person, like that's your choice. We don't
I have
mind.
taken the name also.
But what is it? What was it like?
It was that I've questioned on her character, but I was not wrong. I was very accurate of my information.
Okay. A quick secret about you that nobody knows about.
That we have just come via auto and then we have done our makeup and jewelry in auto itself.
Okay, if a movie was to be made on your life, what genre would it be and what would you name it as?
Title will be Kahan se shuru karu and genre will be me, my real self.
Okay. Lastly, who are you crushing on recently?
Do you really want to know?
You would love to, of course.
Aryan Khan.
Okay, so on that note, ladies and gentlemen, that was Manya Singh for us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us on the Vit Chat Show.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Manya Singh and you're watching me on the Vit Chat Show. Thank you.